Hey, so my bumper is kind of falling off, like a little bit. Over here, like it should be up like that. Really, actually not that bad. But the little clippy thingy here that holds it broke. So I'm gonna attach it the way I want, and I'll show you. Okay, I'm gonna go find a bunch of stuff to prop under my bumper. That's a bucket, something that people juggle with. And then I get a Swiffer, and that should hold it for me. That looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna get my hinge and figure out the placement of where I want it to go. And then I'm gonna tape it there. Get a punch to make indentations on where to drill. I'll find the size drill bit I need. Drill without having to drill into my air filter on the other side. Finding the size bolts I need that are not too long. Okay, finding the bolts I need, then I'm going to change pants because it was too hot, and then I'm going to ratchet these down nice and snug. And I used Loctite, so hopefully they will not vibrate off. Lost a bunch of freaking nuts. Okay, and I'm going to make sure my bumper is nice because it kind of moved, and then I'm going to take my hot poker thing and poke holes because I figured out that this is the easiest way because I didn't like the way the drill did it when I did my drift stitches in the front. Put my bolts here. It was a pain in the ass, so I moved my tire so I could get in there better. And I'm just going to put all the bolts where they go. Okay, so it looks pretty cute. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so I'm going to take my hot poker and poke holes about 2 fingers apart from each other. And then I'm going to take my zip ties and zip tie that with the plastic thingy. Then I'm going to jam it all up in my fender. I'm going to pull my zip ties nice and tight. See, stay that. Where's my phone? Is it dead? My phone's dead. So I don't know if you can see this, but that looks pretty good. I should have made my stitches a little more out here, but oh well. Now I need some thingies. Now I'm going to just snip off the ends of my zip ties. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. So I don't know if you can see this because my phone died. So we're just gonna see, clean up all this shit. But that looked pretty, I mean, yeah, that looks really good, right? That whole, not sure if I'm going to screw a thing there. Maybe I'll put a sticker over that. That turned out really good. So yeah, yay! Now my bumper won't fall off, hopefully. And that flappy thing, the undercarriage thing, that flappy thing, when I was going on the freeway, it was no good. Then this side of the bumper, that bumper looks okay. So yeah, so that's how you attach your bumper, like that, with common hand tools and things, because you don't want to go get things and your plastic things broke. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.